So here we have a multi-step equation, right? You can obviously look and see that there's going to be several things we have to do before x is by itself, because that's what we're thinking anytime we see an equation, right? Isolate the variable. Our variable here is x, so we want to get x by itself. What's the first thing that we can do to this equation? Remember, it's like the top of this fraction is in parentheses, so we're undoing the order of operations, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, right? We're going backwards looking through this. So do we have any addition or subtraction that is outside of the parentheses that we can do first? No, there's not, so we're good there. Then do we have any multiplication or division that's outside of the parentheses that we can take care of? Yes, we have a divided by 7. So how do we get rid of divided by 7? We multiply by 7. And then we don't have to distribute here. We don't want to do that, right? We want to just see that these just cancel out, okay? So they cancel. And if we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other. So we're left with 4x plus 5 equals 7 times 7 is 49, okay? Well, then we're still looking to isolate x. So now there's nothing, we could leave these parentheses here, but there's nothing outside of the parentheses, so they don't really matter. So now we're looking inside the parentheses. And we're still going order of operations backwards. So we start with addition and subtraction. Yes, we have that. We have a plus 5. Well, how do we get rid of a plus 5? We subtract 5, right? They're going to cancel out to 0. Anything minus itself is just 0. So we're left with 4x. These cancel. Equals 49 minus 5 is 44. Okay? And then, now we're still, what are we doing? We're looking to isolate x. Okay? So is there any addition or subtraction? No, there's not. Is there any multiplication or division? Yes, 4 times x. How do we get rid of the times? We divide by 4. We do it to one side, we've got to do it to the other. These 4 cancels. We're left with x equals 44 divided by 4 is 11. Okay, so there's our final answer, x equals 11. And this is that was a multi-step equation. Remember, order of operations backwards. That's what we're thinking. And just don't get overwhelmed, one step at a time, right?